The demand for online coaching services and video courses has grown significantly in the digital age. Some now feel this method of learning is a superior option to in-person learning. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Model answer 1. In the digital era, the demands of online coaching services and video courses have risen substantially. Many today believe that e-learning is a superior mode to in-person learning. I completely disagree with this opinion because the physical classroom setting enhances students' understanding of course topics and also develops a sense of community. The physicality of in-person learning deepens students' understanding of the subject matter. In the physical classroom setting, students can communicate effectively with their peers and instructors. They can ask questions, seek clarification on topics and take part in organic discussions in real time. Consequently, teachers can accurately identify a student's weak areas and provide him with specific feedback, placing emphasis on the areas where the student requires improvement. This individualized feedback enables pupils to focus on their weak points so that they can take appropriate steps to overcome those weak areas, thereby enhancing their comprehension of course topics. For example, many studies have shown that personalized feedback develops students' ability to comprehend the subject matter. Traditional classroom settings also inculcate a sense of community that is clearly absent in virtual classroom settings. In the physical classroom, students are able to make personal relationships who can bounce their ideas off each other. This type of bonding experience cannot be replicated online, as rarely do most students converse with one another during and after an online class. Physical classes, for instance, offer students group activities, discussions, and collaborative learning experiences that eventually foster a sense of belonging to a community aiming at a common goal. To conclude, I believe that the physical learning setting is far superior to web-based learning since students can gain a better understanding of the subject matter as well as develop a sense of camaraderie in the traditional classroom environment. Model answer 2. The demand and popularity of digital learning methods including online coaching and digital courses is increasing, leading to the question if this is better than the traditional learning method. However, I disagree with the opinion that online coaching services and video courses are superior to in-person learning because they often fall short of providing the comprehensive and interactive learning experience that in-person learning offers. Firstly, in-person learning allows for direct interaction with instructors and peers, fostering a dynamic exchange of ideas and providing immediate feedback. This interpersonal engagement enhances comprehension, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, which may be lacking in the more isolated environment of online learning. For example, in a traditional classroom setting, students can engage in lively discussions, ask questions, and participate in group activities, all of which contribute to a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Secondly, in-person learning facilitates hands-on learning experiences, particularly in fields such as science, engineering, and the arts, where practical application is essential. Laboratories, workshops, and studio sessions provide opportunities for students to experiment, collaborate, and develop technical skills under the guidance of experienced professionals. This immersive learning environment cannot be fully replicated through online platforms, where practical components may be limited or non-existent. In conclusion, while online coaching services and video courses offer convenience and accessibility, they cannot replace the invaluable benefits of in-person learning. The interactive, hands-on, and social aspects of traditional classrooms contribute significantly to a holistic and effective educational experience. Therefore, I firmly believe that in-person learning remains a superior option for acquiring knowledge and skills in many contexts.